How's it going, guys? It's Travalgar Valentine. So today I've got my donor vehicle in the center. Instead of actually drawing the vehicle today, I'm going to go into some depth and exploring some mechanical details which to help to emphasize realism within the vehicle. This is just the basic key shapes that I've got here, with a cool engine at the top, got a nice oil tank, got the wide arches, exhaust pipe and spoilers. So it's a pretty awesome car. So let's start off with the bumper. As you can see, I've got this awesome blower with a supercharger in that. Let's just go into some of those details. Okay, so start off with the blower. Just gonna do a nice rectangle shape. The inside edge. Okay, then do the drive belt. So I was doing these circle shapes. Let's do an edge for this to come down. Now I'll put this supercharger just on here. And just do some little rectangle sections. And a little throttle cable. Okay. This is where the edge of the bumper will be. And this is where the exhaust manifold will come down. Just done a bit of shading there. So you can see there, going to the detail, it looks a lot better than with those cube shapes. Okay, so for the front section, we're going to have an oil tank, so just in a basic circle there, well, cylinder shape. Instead, for some details, I'm going to do some hoses coming off it. One this side, and just a lid on top. In fact, let's do another hose just coming down here. Doing some other details, little nuts and things, a little panel, and it's got these 3 fog lights, so let's just do those a bit more in detail. So I've just got the extra chrome rim, and just doing some lines there for some detail. Add that inner edge. Yeah, let's do one more. Okay. I'm going to do a little bracket just behind them. This hose can go in a little section there. Okay, I might actually do this shading in a bit of Copic. Then another lighter one. Okay, so I can see they're in the oil tank with the lights. How about the exhaust over there? So I've just done like another cylinder shape coming up. So let's see what we can do to make that a bit better. So this is where it comes out of the vehicle. And just doing a more indented version. Then the exit section. Then do some thin vertical edges here. Keep them thin just at the bottom. Just round the exit section. Can even start doing the wheel arch, maybe make some extra bolts on that. Okay, let's go again, let's do some Copic markers. And just a bit of black. There we are, so that's a bit more of a detailed version of the exhaust sticking out. Okay, now what I'll do is the rear suspension here. So I've just done another cylinder shape. Then do a hose pipe here. Okay, so we'll do some hoses across. Then I'm doing some curves coming up. And the large spot here. And we'll just do a little center section. Okay, So that's better re-suspension. As you can see there, I've added the extra cylinders with a shock absorber. Let's just do this in black so you can see it better. Okay, now lastly I want to do the roof. Well, it looks very plain at the moment. Let's get some more details on there. So we can start adding some roof lights. Just here, little circles. Then we can add like a horn here. These cylinder shapes. Bring it into a cone. Keep these all the same angle. Lines going that way. Okay. Then we can do a beacon at the top. Don't have to add these ideas, just, I don't know, why not? So it's just the cylinder here, disc shape, a little dome. Okay, let's get some black in there. Okay guys, that's been my little wee drawing lesson of all these different like mechanical details that you can add. Remember, you've got the key concepts here of the key shapes, and within it you can create an awesome supercharger. You can create an awesome roof with horns, lights and beacons if you wanted. You can also create a nice oil drum on the front, nothing noted with gases and stuff. Then you can also add side exhaust coming up with the awesome little slats going up and a little entrance. Then at the rear I've added some shock absorbers and some large hydraulics. So yeah, lots of little details. Anyway guys, it's been my little wee drawing lesson. Thanks for watching and I'll see you later.